Today I'll be showing you how to clean your MoleScope. First, use a microfiber cloth and gently rub the exterior of the device. Next, remove the lens by using the groove at the top of the MoleScope. When cleaning the interior, do not use the microfiber cloth, as this can damage the polarization filter. Gently clean the interior with compressed air. Be sure to keep the nozzle at a distance, as the compressed air can leave residue unideal for quality imaging. The rubber insert can get dirty through continuous use and contact with the phone. For best results, it is recommended to wash the rubber insert and then dry it with the microfiber cloth. Lastly, clean the lens caps. Both contact and non-contact lenses may be cleaned with the microfiber cloth or compressed air. That's all there is to it. Happy scoping!